The iPhone 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max are anticipated to cost $100 more than the iPhone 14 Pro Duo, but sources indicate that Apple will also be boosting the storage capacity of the Pro models, so this price increase may not be a direct one. Over the weekend, there were a few dubious rumors that suggested the iPhone 15 Pro storage tiers might top out at 2 terabytes, with one of them claiming the lineup will begin with 256 gigabytes rather than 128. It's important to approach this information with some skepticism, but according to a rumor from the prolific leaker via 9to5Mac, Apple may be examining increasing the storage capacity of the iPhone 15 Pro to a whopping 2 terabytes. After these rumors circulated online, a Weibo user also participated in the conversation, suggesting that the iPhone 15 Pro might possibly feature a storage option of 2 terabytes. A beginning point has frequently been considered as a rather low amount of storage, notably for the Pro variants, for the iPhone 14 series, which now starts with a baseline storage of 128 gigabytes and offers possibilities for increased storage. Previous rumors have suggested that the iPhone 15 series could have higher price points, prompting many to wonder what additional features could justify this increase. The iPhone 14 Pro models include a fourth tier that provides 1 terabyte, while the base and Plus models reach a maximum of 512 gigabytes. One of these additions may be extra storage options. Although the existing 1 terabyte storage option likely meets the needs of the majority of customers, there will certainly be some users who would benefit from even more storage space. It will be interesting to see how this price increase combined with the expectations that demand for the iPhone 15 will be lower than for the iPhone 14 will affect Apple's sales, especially given that the arrival of a 2 terabytes option would be particularly appealing, particularly for video makers and content creators. The storage rumor, the price hike rumor, or even both of them may turn out to be untrue at this time. However, if prices do increase, they will do so in different ways across the country, with some regions seeing worse effects than others. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.